Welcome to Trade Pro. I've got an awesome profitable strategy to show you here that combines RSI, MACD, 200 EMA, and hidden divergence to put the odds as much in your favor as possible. We're going with the trend here, no counter trend trading, and trying to keep the rules rigid and make sure that they're not subjective. So let's get into the strategy. I'm going to break it down one step at a time for you. All right, the first step is identifying the trend so you know what type of trade setup you're looking for. So the 200 EMA does the job for you. Price comes up above the 200 EMA, you are looking for buy trades only. Price comes below the 200 EMA, you're looking for sell trades only. The next thing you're going to look for once you've identified the trend direction is a hidden divergence. And you're going to be using the RSI for this. So price comes up above the 200 EMA. You're going to start looking for hidden bullish divergence. What that means is price sets a low and then a higher low, but the indicator makes a lower low. So let me draw it in. Higher low on price, but as that's occurring, RSI is lower than it was on this low. And in real time, you won't know that this is going to just go back up or if it's going to continue down. So that's why you need to be very patient and wait for your entry signal. So let's talk about the entry signal once you have identified a valid bullish or bearish divergence. So with everything identified, all you need to do is wait for your entry signal. But what is your entry signal? Well, you can combine a few things. You can say, hey, the RSI just crossed above the 50 line. Hey, the MACD has crossed up. Hey, we got a nice bullish supporting candle down here right off of the 200 EMA. So once you kind of get all this confluence, you can have a very nice high probability winning trade. Now all you need to do is take your entry and choose your stop loss and profit target. So let's use the MACD cross up as the entry signal for this example. Right here on this candle, you can choose your stop loss to be set just below that swing low, or you can do 2 times ATR. Typically when it's a very wide stop like this, I would only target 1.5 times risk. But if I was doing 2 times ATR, it's probably going to be a closer stop, so you can target 2 times risk. Okay? All right, now that I've explained the strategy, I'm going to show you a few more examples of it playing out. So right after the initial one that I showed, there's actually another one on the next low. So higher and low on price, lower low on the indicator, wait for a signal such as the RSI cross up above the 50 line on this candle, or the MACD, which also crosses up on this candle. Then there's another one that's quite a beauty over here, higher low on price, lower low on the RSI. This one was very easy to spot because of just how much lower the RSI got. And the entry was right here with the MACD. You could use another method if you want, but looks like RSI got it on this candle. And then the next one right here, higher low on price, lower low on RSI, and takes off. Entry signals on this candle with the MACD. All right, and here is a short setup for the same thing. So we get a lower high on price action, but a higher high on the RSI. So you can take the short on the cross down in the MACD for this example and set that stop just above that nearest swing high of the lower high that was set. And you can target 1.5. Or if you want to do a closer stop, then you can target 2 times risk. All right, so that's the full strategy step by step broken down. So hopefully this helps some of you out there to create your own system and kind of show you how to incorporate hidden divergences into your system. Of course, this isn't ideal. You need to be testing on different pairs. You need to be testing what's the best risk-reward ratio. It's going to take a lot of effort on your part, so don't be lazy and just go out and start trading this on your live account. You need to make sure you're testing properly, demo trading. But anyway, hopefully this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, let me know if you have any questions about it or if you want some help. But mainly just put in the work and don't be lazy.